Hey guys, welcome back to LPS Happy Rocks, and today I'm doing my slime collection. Don't worry, I'm going to try to make this not into separate parts, but yeah. There are some homemade, mostly they're bought, but some are homemade. So first, why is this in here? Okay, why is a can of Play-Doh in my thing? Okay. I have some slimes that are too ooey gooey to actually be slime, so I'm not showing any of them. So, yes. But these ones are actually slime and not ooey gooiness. So, let's just get on with the video. So, first I'm going to be showing you my store-bought slimes. So, this Lasty Plasty is a really good slime. Let me get a board. Here's my board. Sorry, it's kind of dark. My light does not work anymore. Sorry about that. Yeah, like mess. I need to clean my room. Yes, and I'm not trying to brag or anything. But I'm just showing you guys my slime. I'm not going to try to do a lot of stuff with my slime because I have a lot to show you, so. This one does fart. Now, I'm just actually going to be, just showing you guys them. Maybe, showing you the container, opening, the lid, and, poking it a little. Here's this one. This one I'm not showing a lot because this one clearly gets my hands all purple. But it is really slime, so. It just has way too much purple dye in it. See? Look at my hands now. Okay, well. There's that one. Now. Well, actually, this one is basically store-bought. It was like one of those kits that I had to make, so that, like one of the little kits that you make them. Yeah. And at the end, I will tell you my favorites and my least favorites of store-bought and homemade. And then out of all. This one actually is homemade. What am I doing? Okay. Come on. Yeah. Come on, show me. How about this one? This pink slime. Neon pink slime. Very pokey. It looks way more neon on camera than it actually is. But I love all these little neon slimes. Yeah, this one. Most of my bought slimes make fart noises. But I have that one. And then I have this one. This is one of the ones where, there's a slime in the container and, you can, put this stuff in it. Here is an icing slime with sprinkles. yeah. And since I have another of this brand, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, and then I'll show you the rest of my neon slimes. I have this ketchup slime. It's really cold. It's really jiggly. I take this one as like the same brand, so I am going to show you it, and then I'll show you the neon slimes, you guys. But, the other neon slimes, because I clearly already showed you the pink one. Pink one, if that sounded like pink one. These are from different, yeah, no, that's not the same one, sorry. So yes, I am gonna show my neon slimes. My other neon slimes. Again, this one looks way more neon than it actually is. None of them really look neon, especially the blue one. This is the blue one. Sorry, I'm like opening it with my feet. This one actually doesn't really look that neon on camera either. It looks kind of like the real thing. A little paler though. But now I'm going to show you this slime. This slime was actually given to me by my cousin. My cousin gave this to me. And this was something she got from her counselor. And it's in this really cute little... She got it from her counselor, but she never really liked it. It was in this little thing. This was a Poop Sea slime surprise. I'm sure everyone knows what those are. In America, at least. I'm going to have to really hurry, but... Oh gosh, that's like not even slime anymore. That one I should not have been showing you guys. But I have... This one is from Slime Factory. Spaghetti slime. So, it's a little spaghetti. And then here's like the little noodles around the bottom. And I put this plastic over it. Keep it more safe. See, it says, oh yay, my lighting just... Now it's looking way better. Thank you for my lighting. No, actually say thank you to the sun because that just came from my two amazing little windows. So, yeah, but this is from Slime Factory. And then the other one from Slime Factory is this one, Slime Factory. Rainbow Sherbet Ice Cream. Actually, guys, this is going to have to be in separate parts. I'm so sorry, but it's just going to have to be. And all the different, like, colors that it was now do not look like different colors anymore. Then I have this one. This unicorn one. That I actually went on a journey and accidentally dropped it in grass. So, yeah. This is what it looks like. This is a super jiggly slime. Actually, I was not, like, I didn't get this personally myself. I actually got this, my grandfather got this for me. He knows how much I love slime. I got this one and this one with my Christmas money. And, this one I got at Dollar General. It was only $1 and I was surprised by how good it was. I thought it was going to be like a bad tryout. But it also came with like a bracelet thing. I use it as a bracelet. It's like purple and it like goes around it. But yeah. And then this one I also got the same day as I got that one. It's also one of the little slimes where you like get it and you put this stuff in it. And now I'll show you Nickelodeon neon slimes. Let me get this open and I'll be back with you. Okay, since it was only a little bit because I gave a lot to my friends, but this is all I have left out of the full container. And then I'm gonna have to do the same here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back with you guys. Yeah, you guys, sorry you were sitting on that slime, but there's this one. I'm gonna have to show you more in another video. Like, I'm gonna show you one more and then I'm gonna have to show you the rest in another video. So, yeah, I'm going to show you this glittery slime. I can show you a couple more. I'll tell you when it's actually gotta be the last one. I got this one from Dollar Tree and it's not really good, but it actually is slime, which I was excited about. And one of the really cool squishies I have, I got the same day as this. I got these on a school day before school because I actually had a dentist appointment like right down the street. There was a Dollar Tree and I got to go in and I found this and a slime and a squishy. And I actually got to play with them on the bus because I put them in my backpack. But another one is this slime. This is a pretty cool slime, I will say. I was not with them when I got this slime either. My mom actually got this for me. It has glitter on it, right there. But I used to like get out the little sponges and the little cherries and all that. Oh, you guys, I'm going to have to, I can't do a lot. I'm going to be able to do one more because my phone is dying. So I'm going to have to charge it. But, and the other one is another crazy art Nickelodeon slime. Those are also crazy art Nickelodeon slimes, but and this one smells so good. But you guys, okay, I'll do. Hang on, let me see. Yeah, I can do like probably 2 more. So I do 2 more. I mean 2 more. This one is a one. I actually got it at Family Dollar, but they sell them at Dollar General too. There's that one. And it comes with a little unicorn. You can also get like a dinosaur one. It'll come with a little dinosaur in it. But I got the unicorn one. And then another one is this one. This is a joking around noise putty. Not anything like Flarp. This is a jiggly slime. I have a slime that's literally just like this. Yay, my phone's not giving me that stupid warning anymore. Okay. But you guys, that's all for part 1. And yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2. Love you. It's happy, it's happy rocks.